In this video, we are going to get started with the number system. So let us first see the counting. The counting starts from 1, then 2, then 3. So in this way, we have till 9. So the main thing regarding this number is representation. The number of figures represent the count. Like one can represent one car, 2 can represent 2 cans. So this is a count 1, 2. So it is representing 2 things. 3 can represent 3 things or 3 water bottles, we can say. One, 2, 3. So it is the number of items that they represent. And apart from these, we have 0 also. 0 represents nil count. So there is nothing. It's nil count. So now after 9, when all the 1-digit numbers are over, we start with 2-digit numbers. 2-digit numbers. So there comes 10. So how does 10 comes in the beginning? In 10, there are 2 places. This is 1 and 10s. So regarding these places, we'll talk later in the video. So first, we have to keep 2 things in mind. For starting any number series, we have to place the smallest number among 1 to 9. From 1 to 9, we have to place the smallest number on the leftmost side, on the leftmost place. In the present case, the leftmost place is tens. So this takes 1 because 1 is the smaller. 1s come before any of these numbers. So after 1 comes 2, then 3, then 4. So since 1 comes in the beginning, it is the smallest. And on the right side to this leftmost place, we keep all the digits. From 0 to 9, we give the minimum value from 0 to 9. All the digits from on the right side to this leftmost. So there's only 1 digit and it is ones place. And in this from 0 to 9, we have to choose the minimum value. So we keep it 0 because 0 is the least. It represents nil count. On the leftmost side, we don't put 0 because if we put 0, 1, it represents only 1 because 0 on the leftmost side doesn't have any value, doesn't have any significance, we can say. So it becomes 1-digit number only. So therefore, on the leftmost place, we keep the least of 1 to 9. So this is how 10 comes. So now after 10, this is the 10. On the rightmost place, we have to now increase. So therefore, there comes 11. On the rightmost place, there is 0. And from 0, if we increase 1, it becomes 1. And on the left side, there's already 1. So 11 comes. And thereafter, we have to increase the rightmost place. From 1, we increase plus 1. 1 becomes 2. So the number becomes 1 to 12. Now again, we increase 1. From 2 it becomes 3. And the number becomes 1, 3, 13. So similarly, we go on like this and we get 19. Now the rightmost digit is at maximum, that is 9. Now we cannot increase it. Now what we do? Now we have to change the second rightmost. Like 1, 9 is there. On the right side of 9, since 9 cannot be changed now, on the right side of 9, now we have to change this. We have to increase from this 1. After 1 comes 2. And we have already seen while introducing 10 that if we increase this number or if we change this number from 1 to 2 or 2 to 3, any number, now all the digits right to it becomes minimum, that is 0. In the 10, what we have done is earlier it was 0, 9 because 0 doesn't have any significance. So we can write 0 also before 9. From 9 it becomes 10. From 0 it took 1 because 9 cannot be increased further. From 0 it took 1. It became 1. And since we have increased this place, all the digits right to it we kept at minimum. So the least count, that is 0. So similarly after 9 comes 20 because 1 is increased to 2, and all the digits right to it, there's only one digit, that is 1's place. It becomes minimum from 9, that is 20. So we got 20, and in this way there is 21, 22, 23, because from 20, now the rightmost digit we have to increase. From 0 it becomes 1, so we get 2, 1, that is 21. From 1 it becomes, this place becomes 2, and we get 2 to 22. Similarly it goes on till 29. So in this case again the 9 is at maximum, so we have to change the next digit. From after 9 there is 2 on the right side, on the left side of it. There is 2. Now we have to increase from 2 one more, that is 3. It becomes 3. And since we have increased this digit, all the digit right to it would become minimum. That is 30, 30. So we goes on till 99 like this. From this we goes on till 99. Now this is the highest two digit number. So in this case both the digits are at 9. This is the highest. So what after that? Now we have to make a three digit number, because after 99 both the digits are at maximum, so we have to increase the number of digits. Since 0 doesn't have any significance, it means that if we put 0 also before 99, it's same again as 99. So it's like 099. So now since this is at maximum, this is at maximum, so we'll increase this place. First we have to go on increasing from right side. We increase this place from 1 to 9, and this, then after this is at maximum we increase this. Now this is also at maximum, so we increase this place. From 0 it becomes 1. After 0 comes 1, so it get 1. So since we have increased this place, so the digits after this would become 0. So there are two digits after this place, they all become 0. And this is how 100 comes. So from 100, we again start increasing the digits. So now first we have to increase the rightmost digit. The rightmost digit is 0. So we increase 1. So it becomes 101, that is 101. After this 1, this digit is increased one more, 102. And similarly we goes on till 109. Now the rightmost digit is at maximum, so now we'll increase this digit, the 1 left to the rightmost digit. So since this is 0, we'll make it 1, because after 0 comes 1. And since we have changed this place, all the digits after this, that is all the digits right to it, would become 0. So there's only one digit that is right to it, so it becomes 0. So after 109 comes 110. This is 110. And from 110, again now we have to increase this digit. From 0 it becomes 1. So it becomes 111, that is 111. So it goes on till 119, and after this 9 is at maximum, so we'll increase this digit. So from 1 it will become 2, 1, 2, and since this place has changed, all the digits right to it would become 0. So 120. So it goes on till 119 like this. 199. So now we can again see that this is at maximum, this is at maximum. So the one left to this 9 is this place. So now we'll change this place. From 1 it will become 2. And since this has changed, all the digits right to it would become 0. So after 199, 199 comes 200. So 200. And again the counting starts from 201 because we'll change this place. And it goes on till 999 like this. So now we have reached the maximum of 3 digits number 999. All the 3 are at maximum. So as we have seen earlier, 0 doesn't have any significance when it is at the leftmost place. So we can add 0. 999 or 0999 is one and the same thing. So since all these are at maximum, we'll increase the number of digits now. From 0, because all these are at maximum, we can increase this place. So from 0, it becomes 1. And since this place has changed, all the digits right to it would become 0. So this is how 1000 comes. So after 999 comes 1000. So now we have seen the counting till 1000. And thereafter it goes on like that.